But yeah, a lot of very bad things happening, very, very bad things.
Terrible things. It's a disgrace.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Controversial Podcast. In today's video, we'll be talking about our President Cyril Ramaphosa. Let's give him a round of applause for what he has done with regards to the G20 summit. Please. You know, President Cyril Ramaphosa has been bullied by Donald Trump, and Cyril Ramaphosa is not falling for it. Like he's not willing to bow down to President of the United States, Donald Trump. I'm talking about that buffoon who lied about the Boers. He said there's a genocide in South Africa against white people. That was just lies. They were just peddling lies. Him and AfriForum, they lied. I remember our president was very embarrassed about 4 months ago when Donald Trump invited our president. I remember in that meeting there was Johan Rupert, the Minister of Agriculture, John Steenhuisen, the DA Minister, and other delegates. Trump really tried to embarrass our president. In my view, he was very racist because he didn't want to listen to President Cyril Ramaphosa and he didn't want to acknowledge him as the president. He thought it was cool. He was just bullying him. And I remember before that meeting, he said something about South Africa, about the black people killing the Afrikaners. I remember vividly about the incident. Donald Trump said bad things are happening in South Africa. There's white genocide. Actually, there were tensions between Cyril Ramaphosa and Donald Trump. There's genocide against white people, specifically white farmers, and Ramaphosa responded and said, you can keep your America, I'll keep my own South Africa. So he's been trying to bully President Cyril Ramaphosa, and Ramaphosa won't back down. President Donald Trump continued and said he's not going to attend the G20 because apparently South Africa is unaliving the white farmers. That's what AfriForum has been saying, lying to people, lying to the world, saying there's a genocide against white farmers, of which is a lie. Donald Trump made it very clear that he doesn't want to attend the G20 summit, but other leaders didn't give Donald Trump the attention, and they attended the G20 summit, and it's been a successful work. I must applaud the Department of International Relations and President Cyril Ramaphosa